Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Toyota Highlander sun visor. Begin by parking on level ground and lowering the visor to inspect mounting clips and fabric damage. Remove the plastic end cap with a trim tool and unscrew the mounting bracket using a Phillips screwdriver. Keep track of screws and clips in a magnetic tray. If fabric is torn, consider replacing the visor assembly or using adhesive-backed fabric tape for a temporary fix. Start by folding the visor down and locating the end cap screws near the pivot. Carefully pry off the plastic cover to expose screws, then remove them while supporting the visor. Slide the visor off the rod and examine the rod for bends or rust that impede rotation. Check the interior of the visor for broken clips, worn fabric, or loose wiring for the vanity mirror so you know which parts to replace or repair. If clips are cracked, swap them with new OEM or good quality aftermarket clips for a secure fit. For a stiff rod, apply a light PTFE lubricant and operate the visor to distribute it, then clean any residue. Reattach the visor to the rod, align the bracket, and tighten screws until snug but not over-tightened. Reinstall plastic covers, test pivoting and sliding action, and verify the vanity light and mirror work before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.